Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here I will show you a website which is built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is a gym website and this is for free. I will provide source code in my GitHub so that you can get the website. So I will talk about the website and I will show you everything. So now you can see the website title is Fit Zone Gym and I can see the website name here, Fit Zone, and I can see all the navbar items such as home, about, services, trainers, contact, and here I can see transform your body, professional fitness coaching for every level, and I can see a join now button. Now if I click on about, you can see the about section, about Fit Zone Gym, and here some description, and you can see join today button. Now if I click on services, I can see my services, our services. So we have weight training, cardio, personal training. This is the trainers section. So here I can see I have three trainers, Alex, John, David, and each of them has their contact information, which is WhatsApp. So member or client or anyone visiting the website, they can see the trainers and they can contact if they want to. Now if I click on contact, I can see the contact us form. So if anyone want to contact the gym, they can contact using the contact form. Email address, let's give something. And you can see it says please include an @ in the email address. So you have to use the correct format, and you can see a button, send message button, and here we have the footer. So in quick links we have the home, about, services, trainers, contact, and we have the contact information about the gym, and this is the business hours, and we have the social media. Now this is a fully mobile responsive website. So if I want to see the mobile version, I will just right click and then inspect. So you can see the mobile version, and if I click on the three dots, you can see home, about, services, trainers, contact. So the mobile version is okay, and the website is showing perfectly in mobile view. So I have created this website so that I can share with you, and this website is free, and you can use this website in your project.